yawan bugun zuciya, yawan mantuwa ko tsinkewar mani ko kuma ya hana mutum haifa ta ɓangaren namiji ko mace. Wannan kaɗan kenan daga matsalolin da yake haifarwa a
Bill on the line with the crackling tone, chasing dreams through his old school phone. Every ring sings a story untold. In his pocket lies a heart of gold. His signal fades in the Legos rain, fighting for bars, but he bears the strain. Talking to ghosts through static pain, praying his calling ain't in vain. Bill a GSM Telecom, bringing life where there's none. Through the wires he carries dreams, even when the line just screams. Every sim has a sorrow to share, no rich bundles, but he still cares. He's the hustler with a soulful spark, reaching hearts even in the dark. Sometimes the line drops, but he won't quit. Behind every tone there's a fire lit. Every beep says keep on keeping on. That's how Billa stays strong till dawn. Low battery, but his hope charged full. His voice crackles, but he's never dull. Nigeria's son with a call so thick, he's the old tech poet